This is a story of a man who just needs to be loved.
Ano na nga palang pangalan mo uli?
Iyan ho.
May anak din ako. Iyan din ang pangalan.
A woman who willingly gives it.
Don't worry, I'm a doctor. I'll take care of you.
And another who would do anything to have it.
I don't talk to strangers.
My name is Ian Montes and you are?
This is their love story.
Buong buhay ko, pakiramdam ko mag-isa ako. But not with her. Nandyan siya sa lahat. She believes in me. She sees good in me. Na kahit ako hindi ko makita.
Careful with your heart, Ian.
But what drives a man to take another woman when he already has the perfect one?
Peter?
You haven't seen the guy in years. Tapos sandali lang kayo nakita, nagbago na lahat ng plano natin. Sira na lahat.
May problema ba kayo?
3 linggo na tayong hindi nagkikita.
I'll make it up to you. I love you, Ian. Bye-bye.
I shouldn't complain. Kasi from the very beginning, yun naman na naging arrangement namin eh. But it's not enough.
I told your wife.
Ba't sinabi mo sa kanya?
Dahil nagtanong siya. Dahil may karapatan siyang malaman.
When does a wife become a mistress?
Hello?
I thought I could pretend you don't exist. Mali ako eh.
When does a mistress become a wife?
Tell me what your life's like. Gusto ko lang malaman kung bakit hindi ka niya kayang iwan.
Who will he choose?
Ian, I want you to stay.
Who will make the sacrifice?
Ayoko na nang may kahati ako. Kaya hindi na kita pwedeng mahalin.
When will love ever be enough?
Paano pag hindi ko na kayang ayusin yung mga nasira ko?
On its 14th year anniversary, Star Cinema proudly brings an extraordinary story about how love is not always what it seems to be.
I hate you so much!
Mahal na mahal kita. Akala ko sapat na yun para makalimutan mo kung tama to o mali.
Hindi mo siya kailangan. Kailangan ko siya.
Mahal mo ba ako?
Sobra. Kahit alam ko, hindi na tama.
Maricel Soriano, Angelica Panganiban, and Aga Mulak.
Alam mo ang babae, parang bulaklak yan eh. Huwag mong pipitasin kung sisirain mo lang.
A love story of